Stop! Ah! What the hell? It's got her other elbow on me, pinning me down. Help! Let go! Welcome back to another video inside of the Recovery Pain series. Apparently, you liked the gua sha massage last time. Ah! Alright, give me a break. Give me a break. Oh, wow.
Not with this one, though. I got us an upgrade.
This can't be fucking good. What the hell is that? That's ridiculous. That's weighty and it's metal. No.
You don't have a choice.
That can't be legal. I don't have a choice. I can run.
I'll catch up with you.
Great.
So if I'm just like, fuck, and accidentally crack you, want to knock you clean out, then know that I'm sorry. Oh, God.
Gotcha, Gracie. Give us a subscribe for me catching her when she thought she wasn't on camera.
So we are just doing our warm-up. And while I do the warm-up, I can just get a little idea of if there's any problem areas.
There's none. There's nothing that needs that weapon touching. Like nothing, see? We're good. Out. Yeah, no, it's not a problem. It's fine. It doesn't need the weapon touching over it. Leave it alone.
He's praying to Jesus, but I don't think Jesus can help him right now.
Oh, it's starting to get scrapey. Oh, that was sharp. Woo! There's the demon in there somewhere. Wow. It like feels completely different. I assume that's like a nasty part because it feels really sore on that bit. No, she's leaning on me. Look. She's got her other elbow on me, pinning me down. Help! Help! Fucking... The police broke in right now. You'd be thrown in jail for having a knuckle duster or some shit. Ah! Oh, it's sore! Oh. Ah! Ah! Oh.
Why are you going to tense against it?
I'm not trying to tense. I'm trying to relax, but you keep pushing.
I keep pushing because you keep tensing.
So apparently, using an external weapon's not enough. Gracie's got to dig her thumbs and wrists and elbows and whatever in me as well, because there's a crossover between the most effective tools, and it would seem that Gracie enjoys the skin-to-skin tool of digging in. There. Let go! Get off me, you satanic f***. Oh.
Excuse me. This is the final release on Jace's traps, and then we're going to have a look at his end result.
That doesn't sound good. Why are you laughing? Well, that sucked. Like always! Look at the state of me. It's ridiculous. This isn't... I don't even think this is a thing. I think you're just making this up so you can inflict more pain. I'm pretty sure...
No. Do you feel better?
Actually, yes. My upper body, I didn't realise I held that much tension, and then Chris kept finding little nodgy bits and then doubling down on them and stuff. Yeah, exactly. So, guys, again, thank you for the support on the channel. Please
like, subscribe, and comment below.
Yes. I know we're growing very slowly. There's only 36 subs right now, but we appreciate all of your support on the channel. So here's the next one.